I come out.
Snowman.
Oh, like Mike. Oh, I feel you, Dave.
I believe I can touch the sky.
Make me like different.
Are we recording? Oh, it's a little nod.
So you wanna be a gangster?
Alright, I'm Ooh, he banged that.
With a dab of ranch, with a dab of ranch, with a dab of.
Alright, so enough playing around. You guys already met me. I'm Nieja, this is Damon. We got Scootie over here. Meanwhile, Toby somewhere in Providence, you know, messing around. Anyway, so Damon gonna explain our experiment. Over here playing around.
All right, so we got 15 contestants, and each contestant is gonna take 10 granny free throws and 10 regular free throws. And then after that, what we're trying to see is which free throw is more accurate.
So, as a group, we all came up with a conclusion, or based upon our hypothesis, that the regular free throw is better than the granny due to the form. So,
Talk.
have to make sure your legs right. You feel me?
Check the knees.
Butter. Ooh.
This is the regular free throw.
Hi, I'm Mr. Larry, security at Providence School.
Rick Berry, the kid from Florida. Hey, Scootie, you go with that next year. Huh? Go with that. Start practicing it right now.
That's right.
No, start. That's pretty good.
Right. See, that's me. No,
There we go.
Hey, Coach Jim Martin, Providence High School, head basketball coach, 18 years. It's one of my highlights, coaching Nieja Jordan.
Coach Martin. Almost. There it is.
White Mamba.
Go ahead.
My name is Eric Perry. I'm in 4th grade, and my teacher is Miss Clark.
Hey.
It is my favorite basketball coach, exactly.
Oh, luck, Eric.
Whoa.
I have one more.
Come on, Eric.
Come on, Eric. There you go.
Delano, and I'm a senior.
this weekend.
Next week. Okay. Nice.
Oh!
Oh! Okay, I'll do.
Oh! Boy up. I'm the first boy up.
Can I go after Cole?
Oh my God.
Oh!
I gotta do it both ways this way.
Yes, ma'am.
You can do it.
Cash. Oh.
Oh, no.
And we live, baby.
So anyway, you know, after the experiment, we came to the conclusion that if you don't play basketball, don't shoot. Everybody was late. Okay, nobody shoot. So anyway, we found out that our hypothesis was correct, that the regular free throws was actually a lot more accurate than the granny free throws.
Okay, for our data analysis, here's our data. We broke it down to 4 sections. For our data, our HO was P equals to 0.247, and our HA is P's less than 0.247. Our sample size was 150, and our level significance was 5%. And our p-hat was of granny shots was 0.247, and our p-hat for normal shots is 0.487. And we had two true proportions. One of them is true proportion of granny shots made, and true proportion of normal shots made. And then our conditions, we had to run down 4 of them because we had 2 true proportions, and all of them were all right. It's okay to assume normal. Then for our calculations, we had to use the z-test formula. We just put in the numbers, add them together, and we got z equals negative 0.431, and our p equals 0.99. And our critical value was 1.660, and since negative 4.31 is beyond 1.660, it's a reject. So
Reject the whole.
we failed to reject the. And it turns out normal shots are more accurate than granny shots.
Here's our little chart.
Here's the data of the 15 people of all their granny shots and normal shots.
Stats. Yeah, I graph. In class. Look, Corey, this one for you, boy.
On the track.
Hey. Think about stats when I walk into class. Man, I don't want to make graphs, but Miss Hughes make me do it. Man, I don't want to really do it. About to talk about chi-squared and probability distribution. Yeah. First you get your mean, then you multiply the x by the probability, add it up, what you see. The formula is n times p, which is also called the value expecting. We can flip coins and roll dice, maybe use chi-squared too. About to pass it to the Damon and let him do what he do.
Okay, we talking stats class. Reject the whole, even though she got a fat graph. What we using graphs for? Man, to show the data. A-okay, just make that plot.
Go scatter.
Histogram, bar graph, pie graph,
Guess what?
graph.
That's full graph, yeah!
We got 3 types of data. Hey. I'm a server to you on a platter. It go qualitative, quantitative, categorical. Stats class with Hughes be phenomenal. Let's go.
Lil Nieja, here you go, boy.
What's up, bro? What's up? Hey, hold up. Thinking about stats when I walk in the building. Reject these hoes, I'm chillin'. Stats is all I'm feeling. Stats is all I'm feeling. Finna talk to you about these statistics. Listen up, bro, you don't wanna miss it. Finna talk to you about these statistics. Listen up, bro, you don't wanna miss it. Listen, I heard your p-value was low. Oh, I'ma tell you now, that hoe gotta go. But see, I can show you exactly how it flow. Crazy fine variables, saw your problem in the dough. Oh wait, no, go and come back for some more. We ain't near done yet, you gotta state the no. The alternate, the power, and significance. A couple more steps, then you finish it. And now you gotta state the conditions. The ZT test is where you gotta get lit. And when you finish, don't miss it. You gotta check to see which value is the biggest. Cut it, Scoot, cut it.
Okay, man. Y'all thought we was done though, but look. Stats. Yeah, I graph. In class. Think about stats when I walk into class. Man, I don't wanna make graphs, but Miss Hughes let me do it. Man, I don't wanna really do it. About to talk about chi-squared and probability distribution. Yeah. First you get your mean, then you multiply the x by the probability, add it up, what you see. The formula is n times p, which is also called the value expecting. Flip coins and roll dice, maybe use chi-squared too. About to pass a little day, I'll show y'all about my post man, you feel me?
What we using graphs for? Man, to show the data. Ayo, just make that plot.
Scatter.
Histogram, bar graph, pie graph, line graph.
That's full graph, yeah!
Look at that. Hey, I'm gonna say it to you on a platter.